Hello people and welcome. Thanks for taking a look. Please subscribe, like, comment. This is a wee run through Germany. So let me know what you think. Any tips and tricks will be welcome. So let me know. Just park here. Get the DJI out. My DJI Flip. It's quite easy to fly. Quite enjoyed flying it. And yeah, you'll see it gets caught in the wind a few times. It's quite light. It's quite unstable in the high wind. Oh, there it goes. But I like the video quality. I like how easy it is to fly. And we'll take a look in the summer when I'm out on the bike more often. We can try and get it out a wee bit. But video quality is brilliant. Controllability is brilliant. Yeah, it's just a nice drone. Easy to small, easy to control. And like I said, video quality. I like it. Anybody else get any comments, tips, tricks? It's a DJI Flip. So, I quite like it. If you take a good look, you'll see somebody's fishing. Anyway, that was a quick video impression of the video quality for the DJI Flip. So, let me know what you think. And check out some of my other videos. Thanks again. Subscribe, like, comment, please. See, a lot of people are watching the videos but no subscribing. Please subscribe. You don't have to press the bell, just subscribe please. It helps me out. Anyway, thanks a lot, and I'm back on the road.